Hello there, in this video we're going to be showing you how to make a balloon arch with a couple of table lamps. Now I shall leave a link in the description to where you can buy these from. IKEA or Amazon do them, and you can just put them together using either a hula hoop or a tent pole. So first of all, you want to get your two lamp stands. As I say, you can get them from either IKEA or Amazon. They both do them. I shall leave a link. This is the tent pole here, which we're going to put together. Again, you can make this to the size you need for the arch. If it's going to be expanding a doorway, you can add the extra pieces to it until you get the right size. You can just bend it down and slot them in like that. Now they are very flexible, these, so they're pretty good. You could either do it on the job or make it up in your studio or workplace and then just transport it to the job. So there's the arch there, as you can see, and there's one with the hula hoop. Again, if it's just going to be a small span, then you'd only need a hula hoop. But you get the two lamp stands there with the little pieces that join to it. Now it's about 6 foot tall, or 2 meters I think it is, these lamp stands, so they're pretty big enough. The important thing is really the span, so depending on the job you're going to be doing, you'd either need the tent pole or the hula hoop. Now the hula hoop you would cut down the middle and then just put it on to each pole. But first of all, we're just going to put the extenders onto the lamp stand. Now they do screw in, and they're metal, these ones, so they're pretty sturdy, as you can see. Now, as I say, you could either do this on the job. If it was going over a doorway, sometimes you get them on shops. They require these type of arches. Or you could build it at home and transport it if you've got a big enough van. It's a lot easier that way. You just bring it along and then put it together. So you would build it in sections and take it apart, transport it, and then put it together again and just do the final touches just to make it all look nice. Now I think there was 3 parts to this stand. So depending on the height you need it, you would just use the poles to suit. Now, like I say, they do screw in nice and easy, and they're quite sturdy once you get them done. Wobbling about a little bit there. We'll get the other one in first of all. So as I said, they're about 2 meters tall. Obviously you don't need to fix the light to the top of it. You can cut the cables off these lamp stands, or you could even use them as lamp stands and take them home again. But we just use them primarily for doing these type of jobs, and they're not too expensive. As I say, I'll leave a link in the description. There's a tent pole. Now these just slot in just like any tent pole. You can put tape round them, gaffer tape, or even sellotape would probably do it once you've joined them and you don't want them coming apart. So there's 3 sections there. Now they're around about 1/2 meter or 2 foot in length, so you just get them to the size of the span you're going to be doing. And that will be the last one going in there. There's a piece of tape that we will put round each join just to stop them from coming apart. Now, it can be a bit tricky depending on the size of it. If you're working alone, if you've got two people, it's obviously going to be a lot easier. You just plonk them straight on the top. But as I say, they're quite flexible. So you can get the first one on. You may have to do this outside if it's going to be too high. And once you get the tent pole in there, you may need a pair of steps just to get the height. And then you can just tape it up as you've done joining the tent pole together. Better with two people really if you can do it. As they can be quite high. And that's the finished look of it, depending on the size you want. If it was a much bigger one, it would be a lot higher than that. But we've just done it for illustration purposes to show it there. And you can just transport it once you've decorated with balloons. There's a hula hoop at the bottom there as well.